Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have travel accessory for anyone who frequently journeys across the globe. We found the Samsonite Converter/Adapter kit and thought it was essential to share with you. You can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Samsonite Converter/Adapter kit? At its core, this kit is designed to make your international travels much smoother and hassle-free. It's a compact power management solution that allows you to convert and adapt electrical power from various sources around the world. The kit includes a 1600-watt converter that transforms 220V electricity, common in many countries, into the standard 110V used in the United States, Canada, and Mexico. This means you can plug in your favorite devices, from hair dryers to laptop chargers, without worrying about damaging them. One of the standout features of this kit is the 4 country-coded adapter plugs. These plugs correspond to some of the top foreign destinations, including the UK, Europe, Asia, Australia, Africa, and even the Middle East. This versatility is crucial for travelers who want to remain connected no matter where their adventures take them. With this kit, there's no need to buy multiple adapters for different countries. You'll have everything you need in one compact pouch. Another practical aspect to highlight is the inclusion of replacement fuses. We all know that things can go wrong while traveling, and having a backup fuse is a thoughtful addition that can save you during those unexpected moments. The travel pouch not only keeps everything organized but also makes it super easy to toss in your bag and go. Now, who is this kit suitable for? If you're a frequent traveler, whether for business or leisure, this kit is a game changer. It's perfect for anyone who relies on electronic devices while abroad, from business professionals needing to charge laptops to vacationers wanting to keep their smartphones powered. Even if you're a student studying abroad or someone visiting family in another country, this kit will certainly come in handy. Let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're on a trip to Europe for a month. You've brought along your tablet for entertainment and your electric razor for grooming. With the Samsonite Converter/Adapter kit, you can easily plug them in at your hotel without worrying about whether the voltage will fry your devices. Or perhaps you're heading to Australia and need to charge your camera for those breathtaking photos. This kit ensures you can power up your devices and capture every moment without a hitch. In addition, if you're planning a multi-country tour, the convenience of having one compact kit that serves multiple purposes cannot be overstated. It reduces the clutter in your luggage and helps you stay organized, which is vital when you're moving from one destination to another. In conclusion, the Samsonite Converter/Adapter kit is an essential travel companion for anyone who values convenience and reliability while navigating the complexities of international electrical standards. Its compact design, versatile adapters, and thoughtful extras like replacement fuses make it a smart investment for any traveler. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.